less battery. Oh, dude, Sbarro's is closed too. Oh, that's heartbreaking. What am I looking at? Oh, Celtic Pub. Okay, yeah. Hey, look, Krispy Kreme. Krispy Kreme donuts. This was cool. You could sit on the second floor of the Olive Garden and watch the people walk by. Sorry, I missed that one. I thought you were waiting for my order too. Thank you. No, I'm good, thank you. No, I'm afraid to eat right now. What? Yes, and I've had it violently shoot in 10 minutes. I mean, I'm not telling you I have to go to the bathroom sometimes. I'm telling you I have to violently shoot it out 10 minutes. When I was in Vietnam, I lost 30 pounds. There. Now nah, we were in the city a lot of times, and we took a tour bus. So it was like, no matter what, I'm not going to eat. I'm just not going to do that. Okay, I haven't seen it here very much yet. Can you explain to us why those big orange striped vents are sticking out over the sewers around here? Do you know about that?
Some of them are on the steam pipes. So just fill up the pressure, pressure out.
Okay, I was told like a long time ago that they were there because the sewer gets so stinky and so smelly that you have to vent it up and out.
So part of it's not, and part of it's also because of the pressure goes up in there. With the gases and whatnot, so they'll let it come out, otherwise it gets blow a manhole cover out, depending where it is. So.
But I was told it's from the sewer, not from the steam vent, though. Okay.
The steam vent end is whatever. It's like, we won't think about that.
Yeah. Go.
The pretzel is very interesting. You have many flavors on the outside, and then the inside is like pretzel. Yeah.
Really?
Oh yeah.
Okay, let me try a little piece.
There you go. When you bite through the outside, you got a lot of different flavors. Then you get to the inside, it's like, oh, there's a pretzel.
I'm sorry, it tastes like New York pretzel.
I don't know what a New York pretzel tastes like. So,
you're eating it.
Exactly.
the guitar in his underwear.
He actually surprised me.
Hey, look, there's Vin Diesel. And put real pants on again. Imagine what this is going to be like in like 5 years when they get even better LCD technology. I mean, this is impressive as hell compared to 5 years ago.
Oh yeah.
See how far they've come on.
Yeah. If you want to draw a comparison, go watch what, Captain America 2, where he was running down the streets in Times Square. That was like 2006 or 2007. They shot that in here 2017. Yeah, I'm following you guys the whole way.
I saw that.
Wait, what?
Oh, it's on the top.
Lift it up there.
Oh, why'd they do that this time? Nothing else to do with it?
Yeah. Last year was the first, well, this year I guess, so they went to be in Times Square for logo.
Yeah, I heard about
Only
that.
small, very small numbers actually allowed in.
Yeah.
So they just no, it's a decoration, just
No. Yeah. Yep. See the panels, they have crews come in and fix the panels every now and then. Sometimes, some of those are windows, but most of them are, you know, it's just a bad panel, they come and replace it. Yeah, this place is cooler to film when it starts, but it's impressive as hell right now, too. No, thank you. See the dude jumping in the pool? All the windows around that LCD screen? I would make a special trip to New York just to bring Sophia down here. My 12-year-old daughter.
She'd love it.
Oh, she would love it. We went to Vegas and she saw it. We walked down the strip and she saw, you know, the bare-breasted women with body paint on. That was a little bit much for her.
A little too young for that.
Yes. But it was like, you know, it's happening in front of you, so you can't turn a blind eye to it. Yep. I was lucky because the mom was right next to it. That would have been something I would have gotten my butt kicked if mom wouldn't have been there and heard about it later.